Welcome. If you've ever wanted more privacy on WhatsApp, or just prefer to read messages without letting others know, turning off read receipts is the way to go. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the updated process to disable read receipts on WhatsApp, so you can take control of your messaging experience. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Make sure you're on the main chat screen before moving to the next step. Next, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots. Tap on them. This opens up a menu with several options. From this menu, select Settings. Once you're in the settings, find and tap on the Privacy option. This section is where you can manage who sees your information and activity. Now, scroll down the privacy page until you see the option labeled Read Receipts. This is the setting that controls those blue check marks that appear when you've read someone's message. To turn off read receipts, simply tap the switch next to read receipts. When the switch is toggled off, it will no longer be green. That's it. You've successfully disabled read receipts on WhatsApp. With read receipts turned off, people won't be able to see if you've read their messages. Keep in mind, though, that you also won't be able to see when others have read your messages. Also, group chats and voice messages will still show read receipts, even if this setting is off. Turning off read receipts lets you read messages at your own pace, without feeling pressured to respond right away. It's a simple privacy tweak, but it can make a big difference in how you use WhatsApp. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who might want a little more privacy in their chats. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new level of control on WhatsApp.